can make a spiral pattern vase. Let's start the design. Base 100 mm. We use almost 8 spirals, so each 20 mm. Just trim the extra lines. Now circular pattern this arc through the center point. You need 8 patterns. Another press T for trim. Trim all extra patterns. Nice. Finish the sketch. Look like something this. Now create the sketch on another plane. Place a line around 120 mm. It's a height of our vase. Finish the sketch and now select sweep. Select this profile and the vertical path. Okay. Now the twist angle set around 90 mm. You can change as a 60, 90, it's 120 or else 180 as per you want, but now we want 90. It's good enough for us. So I just press OK and the design look like this, like a gear, spiral gear. Okay. Next, we need to mirror this body at the same place for the same origin, right? Place OK. So now we have this type of object with the patterns X outside, right? So what make this pattern vase? The answer is shell, right? Select the shell, select the top face and place 2 mm thickness. Wait for it. It takes time for computing the process. Our geometry is complex, so it takes more time for computing and showing us as a graphical results. Okay, now, okay. So we have this shape here, or shape vase. It takes longer to compute. Okay, it's over. So this is our vase. We can check it out with the inspection and section analysis. Okay, see, it's all homogeneous to 2 mm from all the side. So make your own design and change the twist angle, and we can make another designs out of using this sweep command. Thanks for watching.